So we're looking here to the Bitcoin price. What is the last status? Let's look. My prediction was in the last video to the upside. Now we're looking here to the current situation. Let's look. If you look here to the chart, then you can see that the downtrend is, or the negative trend is broke to the upside. Yeah, that means positive signs for us. Yeah, everything is on plan. The prediction was that we will go here to the upside. Bitcoin will break here this negative trend to the upside. Everything works here fine. Yeah, let's look. So now we are here at these levels. If we zoom in, then you can see that Bitcoin fight with this level here. Very important level. If we can hold this level, then more upside movement wait for us. I wait for the last pump. Yeah, last pump. I mean, we start the uptrend here. The last pump is here. So I wait that this formation is created. Yeah, and if you look then to the general view, then you can recognize, okay, we have to test these levels again. Yeah, from this point here, I expect a downtrend like this. Yeah, and then we'll go to the upside. If we're forming this formation, yeah, then this is a very wonderful formation because one point here, if you look, this was a resistance here. Yeah, now we're fighting with this resistance. So if we can break this resistance, then we will landing here. Yeah, so retest, and then the next stop is here. So if we get really this kind of pattern, then I see that the Bitcoin price will rise more to the upside. And if you look here to this whole patterns, then you can recognize also that we have here also a triangle. Yeah, that means if we adjust a little bit, yeah, and say, okay, this is our downtrend here, then you can see this huge falling wedge is forming. Yeah, so I see at the moment a positive signal at the Bitcoin price. We will go here to the upside, and let's see. If we zoom in a very detailed analyze, then you can recognize we have here already the situation and built here a W pattern to the upside. So the next stop is here 17,800. If we can break this, yeah, like this, if you adjust a little bit and go zoom in, yeah, then you can see here a small triangle. So if we build this formation, yeah, make a retest, test, yeah, then we could go here out of channel. Yeah, maybe it's too early to say this, but I think we have huge possibility to break out this negative channel to the upside. So I think more uptrends wait for us, especially if we break here this point. Yeah, especially this because we already fulfilled all conditions to break out here. Yeah. So yes, a little bit negativity is we can see. Yeah, because how can I describe this? If you look to this pattern here, normally we have to get here a really good sell-off to the downside. Yeah, in direction of 10,000. It's not the case that this is not over. Yeah, but it seems if you um, look very careful and zoom in that we are at the moment out of channel. That means at the moment we are in a good place. So the only thing what could go in another direction, what we not want, is that we, or the whales, manipulate the price here. Yeah, if we expect, yeah, or if we think, okay, this is a manipulation, then they could manipulate the price here. I will make this with red, yeah, and could let the price go to the downside, yeah. So this is the only negative thing what I think at the moment that can happen. But I think if we go here to these levels, I expect this move, yeah, this green move here. If we switch to this, yeah, and make this formation like that, then we are out of this negativity. Yeah, so I think this is very important here. One possibility that we're going here to these levels, make this move, and come to these levels and break. Yeah, very very important areas. If we really again zoom in, then we can recognize Bitcoin fight with this level. Yeah, it is a level what is very important. Yeah, and if we can break this, then a huge gains wait for us. Yeah, especially if you look here to this formation, you can see that we have here a situation like uptrend, like downtrend. Yeah, and here we'll decide. Yeah, so I expect that the price will go here to the upside due to this special formation, and I expect the green line here. But in these days, the whales they manipulate a lot, so I'm not wondering me if the price is going also to the downside. Yeah, let me look more inside. Yes, yes, you can see here from the formation. Normally we have to go here a little bit to the downside, but this is not happening. You can see that the whales manipulate the price to the upside and give us a small down risk. Yeah, at the moment, it seems really that we're going here hard to the upside. And let's see if this is coming through the green line, then we know exactly, okay, downtrend is really over. If they manipulate the price like the red line in the direction of 16,000, then we know, okay, some drops wait for us. So, but at the moment, it seems everything is good. Yeah, the price is going up. We are not finished here. I expect a positive trend here to the upside, a green line, really good green line. Let's see if this is happening. Then we are landing between 17,500 and 17,800. Yeah, and if this is happening, then the downtrend is really over. Have a nice day.